Hello everyone, my name is Anna and, today, my review is about Fast Brain Booster, a product that claims to help improve cognitive function and enhance memory. Fast Brain Booster is a supplement that contains a blend of natural ingredients such as Ginkgo Biloba, Bacopa Monnieri, and Huperzine-A, which are known to improve brain function, memory, and focus. In a few weeks, you can notice a significant improvement in ability to focus and concentrate on tasks for longer periods of time. Fast Brain Booster is made with all natural ingredients, which means that you don't have to worry about any harmful side effects. Fast Brain Booster is easy to use. It comes in the form of a simple pill that you take once a day. The results may vary from person to person. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Fast Brain Booster for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Fast Brain Booster to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. Overall, Fast Brain Booster works to everyone that is looking to improve their cognitive function, memory, and focus. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.